Through Xello, students can search for work-based learning opportunities and submit requests to participate in those that capture their interest. Opportunities include apprenticeships, workplace visits, internships, and a range of other options. Once your students start requesting work-based learning opportunities in Xello, you'll need to approve and track their requests. In this video, we'll cover how to view, vet, and confirm requests students have made, explain how to request an opportunity on behalf of a student, and finally, show you how to track and verify hours. To get started, access your Xello Educator account. Click Features and select Work-Based Learning. Let's start by covering all the information on the student request page. This table is where you'll get a quick overview of all the opportunities requested by students. Each opportunity includes the name of the student who made the request and the school they attend. Clicking their name will open their request where you can view details, update their status, and more. You'll see the type of opportunity, whether it's a mentorship, job shadow, or something else. You can click on the opportunity name to view more information about it and make edits if needed. Approval status is when a student has permission to add their own opportunity, has submitted one for review, and a supervisor needs to approve it. The statuses are pending or approved. If a student has a match in the Career Cluster column, that means their matchmaker results align with the career clusters linked to that opportunity. The tag column indicates how the opportunity has been classified in your school or district and is only viewable by educators. Under Last Activity, you'll be able to see when you, another educator, or the student last updated the request. The request status will let you know the stage of the request, tracking its progress from the initial request to the setup process and finally to the completion of the opportunity. You'll be able to track when a student's request was originally made in the Requested On column. You can find the time a student has spent on an opportunity in the Total Hours column. You can sort this table by any of the column titles. The list is sorted by last activity by default, but you may find it helpful to sort the list another way. You can also make your work easier by narrowing the list with filters. A shorter list can help you change the status or send a message to multiple students at once. To do this, click the Filters button and select a request status you want to update. Then select all the students in the filtered list and change their status. Or send them a message to encourage them to take next steps. If you know you need to complete a task for a single student, you can just type their name into the search bar to bring up their requests. Next to Filters, the Export button allows you to download an Excel file with the information you see in this table. To view the request in more detail, click the student's name. Here you'll find the company contacts in case you need to coordinate the opportunity with them. You'll also be able to view any files uploaded by you or the student. These could include permission slips or application forms. One way to see if a student is a good fit for the opportunity is to look at their work in Xello. To do this, click on the student's name from the opportunity. This will take you to their profile where you can see all of their requests. You can also use the other tabs to check out their assessment results, top career matches, and goals and plans. Once the details of the opportunity are confirmed, you'll update the request status. Any changes you make to the status are visible to your district's work-based learning administrators, other educators at your school, the company contacts, and the student. At this stage, you can reach out to the student with a message to let them know what to expect. If the opportunity isn't the right fit, you can cancel the request. Be sure to keep the student's request status updated. This will help you and the student to track their progress. You can also make a request on behalf of a student by clicking Add Request. You'll add or select the student and the opportunity and select the appropriate status. Once the status is switched to Hired Selected or Completed, both you and your students can add their work-based learning experience hours. You'll add the date range, the number of hours, and the supervisor contact information. You can also upload files such as a timesheet or a pay stub if applicable. Any hours you enter on behalf of a student will be flagged as new on the student side. You can also verify a student's hours. First, review any files for proof of completion. If everything is accurate, click Review and Confirm. This will lock those hours in, meaning students won't be able to change them. Students will see a Reviewed and Confirmed tag, letting them know the hours have been verified. After you've confirmed the student has uploaded all the necessary documents, you can change the status of the opportunity to Completed and send a message congratulating them. You're now equipped to assist your students on their work-based learning journey.